So the wish lower arm removal is, so basically just undone these bolts and the bolt subframe. This is part of the subframe here. So you unbolt one here. I think this is 16 mil one there. And then go underneath it and you do. So you got these three here. So 3 on each side. So to unlock it, so you've got to turn it anti-clockwise, which was hard to figure out which way it was because it's so tight. So that's locking. So that's the way you lock it towards you, which I didn't know at first because it was so tight. I was struggling to figure out which way it was. So that's that. And then you sort of come on this side and so I've taken the steering bit off, and so I've replaced the lower arm already. Yeah. So the way I've done it is sort of unbolted this part of the subframe here on this side, and I've sort of done here as well. This one here, which is I've taken the bumper off, and I've taken those. I think it was a bolt, both on each side. It's about 10 mil bolt, and then I've unbolted this side of the nuts off, and then I've done this bolt here, which is part of the bush, lower arm bush, and to get to I think there were 18 or 17 mil nuts to get in there. So what I've done is I've loosened all these up, just loosened it up. I didn't. I think I've taken this one off on this side, and then what I've done is I've just sort of got a bar, just sort of pushed it down, wedged it in, and pushed it down, and sort of lowered the subframe a bit. This part of the subframe I've just lowered this side because I was obviously it was this was the lower arm that I was meant to change. And I've also undone the ball joint as well. So I've done these, so it just sort of relaxes the subframe a bit, and then obviously, you know, you have to undo it to take off the lower arm, and so you don't have to really drop down the lower arm. And the other thing what I did was sort of for the reservoir, so I undone this bit because that power steering reservoir sort of goes down, sort of linked. So I've done this, so sort of eases it. So that's the other thing you got to do. And the rest of it looks okay.